Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the written English class, and I am your English teacher. How are you, dear students? I hope you will be fine and you will be safe and sound at your home. Students, we have done first 23 single letter phonograms. Now we are going to do last 3 phonograms, which you can see on the board. These are last 3 phonograms, and we have again instructions on page number 6 and 7. You can see the instructions of these last 3 phonograms. First we will learn about these instructions, and then we will move forward toward writing. Clear, students? So we have phonograms on page number 22. Last 3 phonograms are given on page number 22. So first line you will do as classwork, and the other lines we will do as homework. So let's move over towards the instructions of these phonograms. Okay, students, it's today's first phonogram. You can see, tell me names of lines: top line, mid line, base line, bottom line. Students, you can see it's it has 3 sounds. You can see we will start from mid line. It's left semicircle, right semicircle. You will not put your pencil up जब तक आपका लेटर कंप्लीट नहीं होगा, आप पेंसिल नहीं उठाएंगे. हम ये कनेक्टिंग लाइन कर चुके हैं. लेफ्ट semicircle, clear, and it's right semicircle. So we will join these 2 circles when we will write this phonogram. Clear, students? Left semicircle, then right semicircle. पेंसिल उठाए बगैर हम इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे. Left semicircle, right semicircle. Clear, students? Okay, students, is today's second phonogram. Again we will start from here. Initial upswing. कल भी हमने जब हमने फोनोग्राम्स किए थे उसमें भी हमने इनिशियल अपस्विंग से स्टार्ट किया था. UVW जब हमने लिखा था, इसको भी हम यहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे. इनिशियल अपस्विंग, पुल डाउन नीचे की तरफ, कर्व अप, पुल बैक, स्लैंट डाउन टू बॉटम लाइन, नैरो लूप. स्टूडेंट्स, when we will make narrow loop ना, तो there should be a triangle. यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी ट्राइंगल बननी चाहिए जब भी हम नैरो लूप करेंगे. Clear, students? Once again, initial upswing, pull down, curve up, slant down to bottom line, narrow loop. We will cut this loop here, and there should be a triangle here. Okay, students, is today's last phonogram. We will start from here. We have done clock face ना students, हम clock face कर चुके हैं writing series. In writing series on page number 2 we have clock faces. So जो Z की इंस्ट्रक्शन है उसमें हम clock face को यूज़ करेंगे. We will start from here. Start from 10, curve to 2, continue to 6, curve back sharply, narrow loop. Students, can you see? Start from 10, curve to 2, continue to 6, curve back sharply, narrow loop. Now we will practice our instruction here. Start from 10, clock face में जो 10 पॉइंट है वहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. Start from 10, curve to 2, continue to 6, curve back sharply, narrow loop. Clear, students? Again, when we will make narrow loop, there should be a triangle here. Clear, students? Once again, start from 10, curve to 2, continue to 6, curve back sharply, narrow loop. Clear, students? Okay, students, now we will write our today's first phonogram here, so be attentive. We will start from here. Left semicircle, अपनी फिंगर उठाए बगैर right semicircle, इसको हम कंप्लीट करेंगे. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपने पेंसिल तब उठानी है जब आपका एक्स कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. लेफ्ट सेमी सर्कल, देन अप राइट सेमी सर्कल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Okay students, now we will write our second phonogram. Here we will start from here, from the center of midline. Initial upswing, pull down, curve up, slant down to bottom line, narrow loop. Clear students? Initial upswing, pull down, curve up, slant down to bottom line, narrow loop. Okay students, now we will write our today's last phonogram here. So be attentive students. आप लोग मेरे साथ साथ instruction बोले. Instructions are very important. We will start from here. Start from 10, curve to 2, continue to 6, curve back sharply, narrow loop. Students, can you see? Start to 10, curve to 2, continue to 6. Clear? ये सारे clock face के points हैं. 2, 10, 2 and 6. Then curve back sharply, narrow loop. Okay students, now we will write today's first phonogram on board. So look at the board carefully. Tell me name of lines. Top line, midline, base line, bottom line. ओके ये कनेक्टिंग लाइन हम कर चुके हैं. लेफ्ट सेमी सर्कल एंड राइट सेमी सर्कल, इनको हम ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हमारा फोनोग्राम लिखा जाएगा. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. लुक एट द बोर्ड केयरफुल स्टूडेंट्स. इंस्ट्रक्शन में साथ रीड करें. लेफ्ट सेमी सर्कल, पेंसिल उठाए बगैर राइट सेमी सर्कल. जब तक आपका लेटर कंप्लीट नहीं होगा आप पेंसिल नहीं उठाएंगे. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? लेफ्ट सेमी सर्कल, राइट सेमी सर्कल. Okay students, now we will write today's second phonogram on board. So look at the board carefully. One more time we will write. We will start from here. Initial upswing, pull down, round, curve up, pull back, slant down to bottom line, narrow loop. Students, एक छोटी सी ट्राइंगल आपने यहाँ पे बनानी है. जब आपने ये start to 10, curve to 2, continue to 6, curve back sharply, narrow loop. Students, this is the correct formation of Z. Okay students, now this is your homework of page number 23, 22 and 23. You will do your homework by following instructions. Instructions को follow करते हुए आप homework करेंगे. Next lesson attend करने से पहले आपने ये वर्क कंप्लीट करना है, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट लेसन में हम अपर केस लेटर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.